Hello everyone and welcome to my channel where I share tips and tricks on how to make money from AI. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 ways you can use AI to generate income online. The first way is to create and sell AI-generated content. AI can help you produce high-quality content such as blog posts, social media captions, product descriptions, and more. You can use tools like OpenAI's GPT-3 or Microsoft's Bing to generate content based on your keywords, topics, or prompts. You can then sell your content to clients who need it for their websites, marketing campaigns, or e-commerce platforms. You can also monetize your own website or blog by using AI to create SEO-friendly and engaging content that attracts more visitors and advertisers. The second way is to teach AI skills online. AI is one of the most in-demand and lucrative skills in the market today. You can leverage your knowledge and experience in AI to create online courses, tutorials, or workshops that teach others how to use AI for various purposes. You can use platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, or YouTube to host your courses and reach a global audience. You can also offer personalized coaching or consulting services to clients who need help with their AI projects or challenges. The third way is to build and sell AI products or services. AI can help you create innovative solutions that solve real-world problems or add value to existing products or services. You can use AI to build apps, websites, games, chatbots, software, or hardware that use machine learning, computer vision, natural language processing, or other AI techniques. You can then sell your products or services to customers who are looking for AI solutions in various domains such as education, healthcare, entertainment, finance, or security. These are just some of the ways you can make money from AI online. Of course, there are many more possibilities and opportunities that you can explore and experiment with. The key is to be creative, curious, and persistent in learning and applying AI to your projects and goals. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Also, let me know in the comments below what other topics you want me to cover in the future. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.